This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox screen not rotating. First, verify your device's auto-rotate setting is enabled. This is often found in your quick settings or display options. Next, ensure the Roblox app is updated to its latest version through your App Store. Finally, a simple restart of your device can often clear minor software glitches, preventing proper screen orientation. These initial checks are crucial for a quick resolution. If the initial checks don't resolve the issue, delve into the Roblox app's internal settings. Look for any display or rotation options that might be toggled off. Also, navigate to your device's application settings and confirm that Roblox has the necessary permissions for screen rotation. Sometimes, a fresh start is best, so consider reinstalling the Roblox application entirely to clear any corrupted files. Certain devices have unique quirks. For mobile phones, try rotating your device a full 360 degrees in all directions. Sometimes this recalibrates the sensor. Tablet users should double-check the rotation lock, often a small icon in the Quick Settings panel. If other applications also struggle with rotation, calibrating your device's accelerometer might be necessary through your device settings. As a more advanced step, clearing the Roblox app's cache and data can resolve deeper software conflicts without affecting your game progress. Before concluding it's a Roblox-specific problem, test screen rotation with several other applications to see if the issue is device-wide. If all these steps fail, the best course of action is to contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.